Where are we going today?
Hola.
Buen día.
What?
Precaución, personas corriendo on the sign there. But why are they running?
Yeah.
Where are you running from? Yes, I would like to know. It's making me scared.
Prepare yourself.
Should we run? Should we run now?
Draw.
Huh?
A little wider.
Yeah. That we are. That's why we're running. That's why. This is the barrio Juncaya. And look at the houses. They're very cute.
Yeah.
Very quiet and residential.
That's what I like about it. Is
Very
that you don't
good.
hear the
Yeah.
barreling past at all hours.
Yeah.
As much, probably. I'm sure it still happens. Points are great for signal.
Oh, this is Hana Cafe. It's a hotel.
This is the suite.
Via
Where
privado.
we want to go, though? Up.
Up. Let's go. This is just a restaurant, so we can have breakfast here and then we can keep
Oh,
going.
those are suites.
No? Oh, I like this little house. It's a doorbell. It says, please ring the bell.
Cars, probably.
Look, what a view.
Yeah.
Squirrel.
You see. That boy.
Welcome, Mirador.
Love.
Wow, love, we have to take a picture here.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, we do.
You could do a wedding here.
Huh? We should do a wedding here.
We should. Let's get married. It's a really cool place. Ah, that's the restaurant, right? No. Yes? No,
That's
propiedad
the private
privada.
property. Across the road.
There is a restaurant here somewhere. Monkeys. So, in the end, we ended up walking to Santa Catarina. What do you think about the walk?
Not as bad as I thought. But, still a long walk.
It's a long walk. It's a little bit over half an hour, but people wanted to charge us over 100 each to get there. And it's just a nice walk.
Yeah, it's all along the waterfront.
Yeah. So there we go.
Sí, sería ese caso, como por ejemplo el mes que se activó.
This is Santa Catarina.
Un mes, ¿no?
Look at it.
Aunque no va a funcionar.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buen día.
Igualmente.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, gracias.
Bien. ¿Podemos comer? Somos dos.
Entonces, cualquier mesa se puede sentar.
Gracias. Let's go all the way there if you feel like it. Wow. What a place. Nice. As long as it's not in the sun, I'm happy.
Yeah.
Wow.
There's only a few that are not in the
Yeah,
sun.
you want to sit here with me?
Okay.
está para ir.
Do you want one more wine from there?
I don't want to carry it.
You probably had to. Yeah, it's true. It's better to buy it at El Internet. Let's see if we can find. Oh, they have the Argentine. Have to see where this coffee shop is.
Si hay personas, me-
We're at Cafe Tuk and we're having a cold brew with almond milk. Real organic Guatemalan coffee. Try it.
It's excellent.
Yeah. This is ridiculous. Salud.
Here, I'll take one. All right, so
It's ridiculous to be here with the corona.
yeah, that it is.
Hola. We're gonna get some food.
Something.
That's the question.
Yeah.
This is where we see the volcanoes. There's Pocho and Papas. Maybe that way.
Okay, so I thought I was ordering Coca Cero because it was black, but it's regular Coke. It's delicious, but
Delicious.
not what I expected.
And we're getting burgers today
Yeah,
because we want something fast and easy.
something that we can take with us and eat later because there aren't many things that keep for long. Like tacos would get soggy, you know. Pizza, I guess, would work, but this seems a little better.
And what's the plan for the rest of the afternoon?
We're just gonna chill, drink wine, and watch TV, I think, right? And we're gonna do the Temazcal.
We're gonna do the Temazcal today.
Yeah. Mascal or mezcal?
Temazcal.
Mascal. Okay, I've been saying
Yeah.
it wrong this whole time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I thought it was mezcal.